Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically add new TagMango customer to Kit sequence. Now, if you're a creator who is using TagMango as a platform to manage your workshops, online courses, and memberships, this one automation is going to help you a lot. In this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new order in TagMango, whenever a new sale is going to happen in TagMango, we are going to add the same customer as a subscriber in Kit, and that too into a specific sequence in our Kit account. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this whole automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my TagMango account. Now I want that whenever I receive a new order for a course in my TagMango account, whenever a new sale happens in my TagMango account, I want to add that same customer into an email sequence in my Kit account as well. Now to do this, we have to connect TagMango with Kit. And we are going to use an amazing automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. To get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing user of Pabbly, you can just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. As we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And after coming to this dashboard, we have to start creating an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as TagMango to Kit. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's get started with the trigger step. So here in the trigger step, the idea is first we are going to connect our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step itself. So that whenever we are going to receive a new order, a new sale is going to happen in our TagMango account, we are going to receive the details of the same order in our Pabbly Connect workflow, and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using the same Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to add the same customer who made the purchase as a subscriber to the email sequence in our Kit account as well. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger window, in choose apps, search for TagMango and select it. After selecting TagMango as our trigger application, in trigger event from this drop-down, we can see a list of different trigger events. Out of all of this, because we want to add a user when we receive a new order in TagMango, we are going to select new order as a trigger event. Then after that, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to enter our TagMango API key to connect our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect. But you must be thinking how you can get this API key of your TagMango account. So to get it, just go to your TagMango account and from the left sidebar under automations, you can see this option of platform integrations. Just click on it. And here you can see the Pabbly API key. Just copy this API key from here from your TagMango account, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see the TagMango account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the mangoes, all the checkout pages or payment pages which we have created in our TagMango account. Out of all of this, the payment page for which I want to capture the response and on the payment of which particular page you want to add the customer in your Kit account is Introduction to Generative AI. Let me show you. In my TagMango account, we'll go to mangoes and this is a free page over here. So I'll just select this option of show free mangoes. And this is the mango. This is the checkout page from which whenever I get a new order, a new customer, I want to add that customer as a subscriber in my Kit sequence. So we have to select that same mango over here from this drop down, for which we want to set up this automation. After selecting the mango, it is asking us for the payment status. So in the drop down, we have 4 options: all, completed, initiated, and failed. Now, I want that whenever a payment or a checkout is completed, only in that case, the person or the customer should be added as a subscriber in my email sequence in Get. So for that, I'm going to select the status as completed. But if you want, you can select all or any other particular status as per your requirement. After selecting the mango and the status, let's click on this Save and Send Test Request button. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture a new order, a new sale from this particular mango in our TagMango account. So let's do it. I will just copy the link of this mango over here and go to the incognito tab and open this checkout page, this payment page of TagMango. And using this checkout page, I'm going to place a new order. Let's see, the name of the customer who is placing the order is demo user. This is the email address. And this is a dummy mobile number which we are going to enter. The age is, for example, 25 and the city is Bhopal. Let's click on register now. Now, because this is a free mango, that's why it is not asking us to make the payment. But if you have connected your payment gateway, then after making a successful payment, the checkout will be completed. Because this is a free mango, I'll just click on register now and it will be done. After clicking on register now, it is showing us the registration is successful because this was a free registration. Now, after this, we'll get back to the TagMango account and actually to the Pabbly Connect workflow. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see we have received a response. The first response which we have received is of a test payment, of a dummy payment. But to actually see the response of the payment or the checkout which we have made just now, we'll just go to this select response button over here. Just click on this refresh button in front of it once. And after clicking on refresh from this drop down, select response B. Select yes. And after selecting the response B, here you can see in the drop down below here in response, we will get the details of the same checkout which we have made just now of the same order. We'll just scroll down. Here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time this order was received. We have the phone number, the same phone number which we have entered while making the checkout or placing the order. Here we have the same name, demo user. We have the same mango name for which the payment is done, the order is captured. We'll have the email address of the customer and also the country code over here. This means all the details of a new order from the checkout page is now received inside Pabbly Connect. And the step 1 of connecting and capturing the response of a new order from TagMango inside our Pabbly Connect workflow is completed. Now let's send the details of the customer from this trigger step from the received response of TagMango to Kit and add this customer into a sequence in our Kit account. For that, we'll just scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, we'll search for Kit and select it. After selecting Kit, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add Subscriber to a Sequence. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Kit account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and API secret of our Kit account. Now you must be thinking how you're going to get this API key and API secret from your Kit account. For this, just go to your Kit account. From the right top corner, just go to Settings of your Kit account. And after coming to the Settings page, from the left sidebar, just scroll down and go to Developer. On this Developer page, here you can see the API key. Currently, Pabbly is using version 3, V3 of Kit. That's why we are going to refer to the V3 key over here. Copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Then after that, copy the API secret as well and then paste it over here too. And after entering both of these details, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see the Kit account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the sequence ID. So here in this dropdown, you'll get a list of all the sequences which you have created in your Kit account. Right now in my Kit account, I have created only one sequence over here. Let me show you. So we'll just go to the sequences section, and this is a sequence named as Generative AI Email Sequence. And in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, in this dropdown, you can see only one option. If you have created multiple sequences in this dropdown, you will get a list of all of those sequences. And you can select the sequence in which you want to add this subscriber. I will be selecting this sequence over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the email. That what is the email address of the subscriber of the customer to whom we want to add in the sequence in Kit. So we have received the email address from TagMango in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of email address to this get action step. And to add the response from the trigger step to the action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. Just click on this field of email, and here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from TagMango of a new order in the trigger step. Out of all of these responses, select the response of email and it will be mapped over here. In this way, whatever email address the customer is going to enter on the Mango on the checkout page, the same details, the same email will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and using the same email, we are going to add them in our Kit account as well. After mapping the email address, it is asking us for the first name. Now here you will notice that from TagMango, while receiving the customer details, we have received the full name of the customer. But Kit is asking us only for the first name. So what we have to do, we have to split this full name into two parts of first name and last name and get the first name out of it. And to do this, we will be using a small feature, a module of Pabbly Connect called text formatter. So before this Kit step and after the TagMango trigger, just click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, search for text formatter. Just select it. After selecting text formatter by Pabbly, here in action event from the dropdown, select the action event as split text. And then just click on connect. Now as we click on connect, the first thing it asks us is text to split. Now here we have to basically use the same process of mapping and give the response of the full name which we have received from TagMango in the trigger step. Just click here from the dropdown from TagMango responses, select the response of name and it will be mapped. Then because we have a space between the first name and last name, we are going to use space as a separator. And to use space as a separator, we have to write space in double curly braces. So this name will be splitted or basically made into two parts before and after this space. And in segment index from the dropdown, select all. After entering the separator as space and selecting text to split as the full name mapping over here, just click on save and send test request. And after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response where the first name and the last name are separated in two different parts over here. Now from this response of text formatter, we can basically map this response of first name to the Kit action step. So let's click here. Let's click on this field of first name, and from the drop down from text formatter, select and map the response of first name over here. Then it is asking us for the tags. So in my Kit account, I have created some tags as well. And you can see a list of all of those tags over here from this drop down. So if you want to assign a tag to this new subscriber, which we are adding in the Kit sequence, you can assign the tag as well. Because this is a subscriber from a free course, let's say I want to add this tag of free course over here. So I'm going to select that particular tag over here. But if you want to basically add multiple tags, in this way you can add multiple tags to the new subscriber which you are adding in Kit. Right now, I only want to assign a new tag of free course. That's why I've selected one tag over here. And after mapping the email address, the first name, and selecting the sequence ID and tag, just click on save and send test request. Now, when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows the details of the subscriber which we have mapped over here. Basically, the customer which we have received who has basically made the payment or placed the order on our TagMango checkout page is now added as a subscriber in this sequence in our Kit account. So let's check it. We will go to a Kit account. I'll just go to the subscriber section over here. And after coming to the subscriber section, here you can see demo user, basically the demo@pabblytudes.com. The same person, the same user is now added as a subscriber in my Kit account. And if we open the subscriber and go to sequences, here you can see this subscriber is added into this same sequence which we have created in our Kit account. You can basically create a series of emails over here and basically trigger some automations in your Kit account which you have created after adding the subscriber in this particular sequence. Also, you will notice the same tag of free course which we have selected in Pabbly Connect is added to this new subscriber as well. We have the same first name, same email, same sequence and tag too. So in this way, you can see we have successfully created this automation between TagMango and Kit, using which whenever we are going to receive a new order in TagMango, the same subscriber, the same customer will be added as a subscriber in our Kit sequence as well. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once in real time. For that, I will just copy the link of this Mango, this checkout page, and once again, we'll go to Incognito tab and make another payment. We are going to make another order. And this time, we are going to enter the details of a new user. For example, the name of this person is test user. This is the email address. And this is another dummy mobile number which I am entering over here. The age is, for example, this time 35 and city is Delhi. After entering these details, let's click on register. And after clicking on register, here you can see we have successfully registered this user. Now, after registering the user, we'll directly go to our Kit account and go to the subscriber page. Let's refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see test@pabblytudes.com. The same customer who placed the order on our TagMango checkout page, on our Mango, who has basically purchased a course or something on TagMango, is now automatically added as a subscriber in our Kit account and is added into the same sequence, and the same tag is added to the subscriber as well in our Kit account over here. This means we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will get a clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.